Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Lenovo TAB M11 Plus, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now all we have to do is to simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see here we've got all previously visited websites. So of course if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to the particular website. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data to do it automatically. And as you can see here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time. And all you have to do in order to remove something is to make sure that it is marked. So I'll mark everything and simply tap on Clear Data. And as you can see right now the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So starting from the browsing history and ending on, for example, saved passwords. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Lenovo TAB M11 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.